Not only does it have the same health benefits as tea, it's also rich in beneficial probiotics. Kombucha also contains antioxidants, can kill harmful bacteria, and may help fight several diseases. Here are the top 5 health benefits of kombucha based on scientific evidence. 1. Kombucha is rich source of probiotics. It's made by adding specific strains of bacteria, yeast, and sugar to black or green tea, then allowing it to ferment for a week or more. During this process, bacteria and yeast form a mushroom-like film on the surface of the liquid. The fermentation process produces acetic acid, also found in vinegar, and several other acidic compounds. Trace levels of alcohol and gases that make it carbonated. A large amount of bacteria also grow in the mixture. Probiotics provide your gut with healthy bacteria. These bacteria can improve many aspects of health, including digestion, inflammation, and even weight loss. For this reason, adding beverages like kombucha to your diet might improve your health in many ways. 2. Kombucha contains antioxidants. Antioxidants are substances that fight free radicals, reactive molecules that can damage your cells. Many scientists believe that antioxidants from foods and beverages are better for your health than antioxidant supplements. Kombucha, especially when made with green tea, appears to have antioxidant effects in your liver. Rat studies consistently find that drinking kombucha regularly reduces liver toxicity caused by toxic chemicals, in some cases by at least 70%. 3. Kombucha may reduce heart disease risk. Heart disease is the world's leading cause of death. Rat studies show that kombucha can greatly improve 2 markers of heart disease: bad LDL and good HDL cholesterol in as few as 30 days. Even more importantly, tea, especially green tea, protects LDL cholesterol particles from oxidation, which is thought to contribute to heart disease. 4. Kombucha may help protect against cancer. Cancer is one of the world's leading causes of death. It is characterized by cell mutation and uncontrolled cell growth. In test tube studies, kombucha helped prevent the growth and spread of cancerous cells due to its high concentration of tea polyphenols and antioxidants. How the anti-cancer properties of tea polyphenols work is not well understood. However, it's thought that the polyphenols block gene mutation and growth of cancer cells, while also promoting cancer cell death. 5. Kombucha may help manage type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes affects over 30 million people worldwide. It is characterized by high blood sugar levels and insulin resistance. A study in diabetic rats found that kombucha slowed down the digestion of carbs, which reduced blood sugar levels. It also improved liver and kidney function. Kombucha made from green tea is likely to be even more beneficial, as green tea itself has been shown to reduce blood sugar levels. If you decide to try homemade kombucha, make sure it's properly prepared. Contaminated kombucha may cause more harm than good.